on R. Kelly, but first, your reaction to this breaking news about Governor Cuomo resigning. What do you think?
Joy, huge news today out of New York. And this was shortly after Cuomo's defense attorney came out and denied all the allegations of sexual harassment made by these 11 accusers. And coincidentally, R. Kelly, that case, we're also dealing with 11 victims in both New York and Illinois. But really fascinating. And, I listened to the former governor's video statement, and he denied crossing the line and said that it was redrawn, even though he did say he accepted responsibility. I don't know if that was because of the pending criminal investigations. We know, obviously, Letitia James and the New York Attorney General have an investigation open, and that was conducted by a former federal prosecutor, the former acting U.S. attorney in New York, as well as a civil employment attorney. So that was very detailed, set forth the allegations, and they're pretty damning against Governor Cuomo. And we know at least several local district attorneys have their own open investigations, and one victim met with the district attorney's office as recently as this week. And that's important because in these sexual assault cases, you really want victims who are ready, willing to move forward with prosecution. Sometimes victims, because of fear or shame or for whatever reason, don't come forward, and it can be difficult to prosecute. So that's big news. So I don't think Governor Cuomo is out of the woods yet.
And so obviously we've been discussing, so potentially these criminal charges could come. Do you think that his resignation will increase that likelihood or diminish it?
I really don't think it'll affect it one way or the other. I mean, he has been accused now by so many victims of, groping, forcibly kissing, fondling breasts and buttocks. I mean, this is pretty serious stuff. This wasn't just kind of the hugs of both men and women that Governor Cuomo described in his video address today. So I think if you are a prosecutor in New York, you have to take these allegations seriously, and you have to enforce the laws, regardless of whether it's a sitting governor or a former governor. This type of conduct is just not appropriate.
Yeah.